We painted dawn into midnight. Out of cement ceilings we made skylights. From gravel we crafted fine and delicate chandeliers, hung them with fishing line so they appeared to float in midair. We turned copper piping into rings, Venus circling our fingers. The oxidation turned our digits green, our limbs transforming into ferns and orchids. We breathed, and our condensation created clouds. Our tears fed the sea. We prayed to all the living things. We sat in silence with the trees, our feet rooting into the ground to touch the highest energy. The evergreens and us, we breathed in tandem, and inside our lungs sprung a forest of veins mimicking their cousins' limbs. We sprouted 2 intricate flowers in our minds for the left and right hemispheres, and we hung our thoughts there, believing that the petals would keep them safely tucked away. We recognized ourselves, didn't need mirrors to see our likeness. Even the dirt felt like us. The sand, our bones in 1 trillion pieces. We walked atop these beaches, sinking in, their legacy holding us. There was silence, and we were not afraid. There was peace, and we were not anxious. There was a world we did not conquer.